welcome back to another Fashion Friday. So I know that all of us love TikTok, and on TikTok there's a lot of things. Recently I came across this section of TikTok about clothing hacks, outfit hacks, and styling hacks and stuff like that, and I got sucked in because you guys know how I love my clothes. Some of them are really weird, and some of them were kind of normal, and some of them just looked like they could actually help out. So let's try them out today. Before we get started, make sure you follow my TikTok. It's right here down at the screen. And make sure you also follow my Instagram. Should be here too. So the first hack is this jean hack. Let's check it out. Okay, it looks kind of weird how it goes like that. It's like a diamond. So I have my baggy jeans. As you can see, these are super baggy. They are super big on me. Look at that. So we're gonna try. It seemed like, first let's zip this up because I'm pretty sure she had to zip her up. And then it seemed like she got this and then went like that. Went through the loophole where the belt is supposed to be. Stylish yet? And then she got this. How does that even work without coming apart? Okay, I'm gonna do that. This is difficult. I didn't expect it to be this hard. Wait, I think I got it. I think I got it. I'm so close. Okay. Oh, I'm so close. It's right there. It's right there. And I got it. I feel like hacks are supposed to make your life easier. This was difficult, and it didn't even have a good outcome. It looks so bad in the front. Look at this. What is that? What is all of that? It's so bunchy and ugly and not even worth all this struggle. I mean, it does work, but it doesn't look good with something tucked in. Maybe you have to I don't know. You wear a bigger shirt. I don't know. It's so ugly looking and it hurts your fingers. Ew, why is it wrinkly? It looks like I have moldy pants. I'm giving this a rating out of 6 out of 10 because it works, but it is hideous. Look at that. Who goes out in public looking like this? Yep. This next hack is about a hoodie, so let's watch it. So she said all you need is a shoelace, which already starting off a little weird. And this hack is for to make awkward size or loose hoodies fit how you want them to fit. So I'm just gonna So I tied the shoestring around my waist, and now I just have to tuck the hoodie into it. So it worked out really well. It actually is super cute, but it is super tight and kind of uncomfortable. Right here, it's scratching my stomach and it kind of hurts. But other than that, I really like the way it looks, and it looks clean and pristine at the bottom. And it looks like it actually came like this, so I really like it. I give this an 8 out of 10. An 8 out of 10 because it works and it looks good, but -2 because it does kind of hurt you. Or maybe I just tied the shoestring too tight, but I do really like this. You could actually use this and it doesn't look crazy. Now this next hack is how to make oversized clothes look good and fit. Seems pretty easy. So this is perfect for me because this is right up my alley. I love like loose things, adding belts, rolling up stuff. So this is perfect. It's right up my alley. This is my loose outfit. I have my loose shirt and my loose pants. I have leggings on under my loose pants because I was lazy, didn't feel like taking the leggings off. This is how it looks. It looks all frumpy. It doesn't look like a good outfit. It looks too loose. Now let's use the hack and see how it goes. So first he said tuck it in. So that's what I'm going to do, surprisingly, huh? Make sure the tuck is a good tuck. Now we're coming up my alley. This is what I like. So step 1, tuck, and step 2, belt. Step 2 is the belt. It's already coming along. I already love the way it's looking. So we got the belt, we got the tuck in, and now we need to just roll the sleeves up. Did it? This outfit came together so well. So I got the sleeves. I really like it. I actually worn this outfit before, like just like this, just not with the rolled up sleeves. But like these hacks, that hack really does help your loose outfits do come together. Like you don't change really anything. You just make some tweaks and boom. You don't have to have a shoelace. You don't have to make your pants bunch up. It just automatically looks good with a little roll, a little belt, a little tuck, and you're good to go, my buck. I give this hack a 10 out of 10. It works. I use it on the daily, so I'm probably a little biased. But yeah, I really do like it, and it does make loose outfits look way better. So this next hack is about how to transform a dress into a top. This is what it looks like right now. It's just a plain plaid dress. Nothing really that special about it. Kind of looks like hers but more tight. And now we just need a turtleneck. And I'm going to go with a light pair of jeans. So I have the turtleneck on and this is already a look. And now we need the jeans. And almost done, and done. So this is it. I love it. Like, it actually worked out a lot. This looks like something I would wear on the daily, and it turns a simple dress into a really cute outfit. The turtleneck at first, like, I already knew that it was gonna look really cute because the shirt with just the turtleneck looked awesome, and then the pants, it actually just makes it look like a bodysuit, and I really love it a lot. All you gotta do is add a belt and you are good to go. It's that simple. I would rate this a 9 out of 10. I really like it. Like, it's pretty fleek. Oh. Next we have a cute way to transform a sweater into a dress. You just tied the things around. It doesn't look like a dress, But let's try it. Let's try it. Let's not judge before we do it. There's a quote like that. So here is the look before: an oversized sweater and just, you know, some leggings. So the first thing she said to do is take your arms out and like wear it without the sleeves. So not like this, like that. Okay. How I look? This is already somewhat stylish, man. Like, you got these sleeves for slapping back. And no. So, carrying on, she said to get the sleeves and cross it in front of your body like that for cross detail. And then we tie it behind our neck. So then we tie it. I mean, who could have guessed this was an oversized sweater? I love the cross detailing in the front, and it's comfy. Who would have known? I'm being generous, and I'll rate it a 2 out of 10 because, I mean, it's a dress that has cross detailing in the front. I mean, it's just not my style. Some people may actually like this, and that's okay if you do. It's just not my type, because to me it just looks like you put on a sweater wrong, if that makes any sense. Alright guys, so those are all the clothing hacks. I had a lot of fun doing this video, and make sure you guys tell me which one was your favorite. Which clothing hack was your favorite? I'm having a lot of fun filming these TikTok videos, like TikTok hacks videos. Maybe next time I'll do a food hack, or give me some inspiration. Let me know what you guys want to see from these TikTok videos. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Love.